In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes. It's fairly quick and easy. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. I'm currently using the Roblox app, but you can't use it to redeem the gift card. You must go online. However, you could use your phone to just search for it, or you could go to your PC and look for it using a web browser. I'm going to use my phone for this. I'm going to exit my Roblox app, and then go to a browser and search for Roblox Redeem on Google. And it'll be the top one on this page. You can see it is the first search result. And if you click on it, it will take you to this page. Hit Redeem in the upper right-hand corner. I've already logged in and I'm on my account, as you can see by the profile button at the top. So now we're here and we'll enter our PIN, which can be found on your Roblox gift card. You'll enter it exactly here and then click the Redeem button. And then you'll hit Confirm and it'll say you've successfully redeemed your gift card. And you'll be ready to go. You can log back into your Roblox account on any app or device, whichever you're using, and use Robux as you desire. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video. And see you in the next one.